you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Luvmehair. They did send over this super cute headband wig, so everything about this wig will be in the description box below. But this video is mainly about temporary tattoo edges. So I did receive this kind and also these, but I will be showing you guys these right here. So yeah, let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. I am super nervous because I have never tried these before. So we finna see this together, okay? Like that. I don't even know how far like down I should put them. Alright y'all, let's put them on. I hope I'm placing them correctly. I'm gonna find out. I feel like it's on my eyebrow. Huh. So now I just have a damp towel and I'm gonna just dab it on there. I saw these on Instagram and Facebook of the temporary edges, and I'm like, girl, what are you doing? Y'all just running out, but they turn out so freaking cute, especially if you don't have any edges or you struggle doing your edges. So I think this is actually a great idea. And you know, for people who have hair loss and things like that, cancer, and they want to wear like a headband wig or alopecia and they don't have any edges, you know, I think that'd be awesome for them. Okay, I think this is good. Oh wait, it's not ready. Amazing. Girl, I know you lying. Is it down too far? It kind of looks like it. Let's put on the second one. I think that part right there got on my hair. But it's not bad. Y'all, this is so cute. Like if you don't feel like doing your edges, like if you're gonna go out somewhere or you know what I'm saying, you just wanna do your edges real quick, girl, slap a tattoo on there. I'm just saying. That is cute. It's actually kind of cute. It's kind of down too far right there, but it's cute. This side look better. I know someone said use baby powder or something to kill off the shine, but I don't have any where I am right now, but I'm definitely gonna put some on here, but it actually turned out super duper cute. So let's just see how it looks with headbands for the headband wig. So these are the headbands that came with this unit. And obviously I'm gonna go with this one because it matches my dress. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. edge tutorial, whatever. I am definitely feeling these tattoo edges. It's simple, super easy. Like, girl. I'm just saying, like, I haven't even put powder on them yet, you know? So it's still cute, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah. Everything about this wig and these tattoo edges will definitely be in the description box below. And I will also have a coupon code for you guys. It will be in the description box below as well. So with that being said, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one.